Looking for the best torquey wrenches? This video breaks down top options for accuracy, durability, and ease of use. Whether you're a pro or DIYer, find the perfect tool to get precise torque every time. Watch now! Let's kick things off with a top-tier torquey wrench built for precision and durability. The CDI 2503 MFR-MH is a 1/2-inch drive, adjustable click torquey wrench with a range of 30 to 250 foot-pounds, making it ideal for automotive and industrial applications. It features a dual-scale design for both foot-pounds and newton-meters, ensuring versatility for various tasks. The positive lock with a pull-down lock ring makes torque adjustments quick and secure, while the quick-release button ensures easy socket changes. A lightly knurled handle provides a solid, non-slip grip, and the laser-marked scales are easy to read. Though it's built for professionals, its user-friendly design makes it accessible for serious DIYers as well. Each unit is individually serialized and comes with a certificate of calibration, so you know you're getting accuracy right out of the box. Retailing at $226, this tool is a smart investment for those who demand reliability. ETOR delivers outstanding value with its precision torquey wrench, offering a digital display and click-style operation at an accessible price. With a torque range of 25 to 250 foot-pounds, it competes with high-end models but keeps things budget-friendly. The intuitive interface makes adjustments easy, while the click mechanism provides a clear, audible signal to prevent over-tightening. We especially like the ergonomic grip and durable alloy steel construction, which make it comfortable for extended use. Despite its lightweight design, it delivers the kind of precision and reliability professionals expect. At $114.95, it's an excellent option for mechanics, DIYers, and industrial application. The CRAFTSMAN 1/2-inch drive micrometer torquey wrench delivers precision and durability at a budget-friendly price. With a torque range of 50 to 250 foot-pounds, it covers a wide range of applications, from automotive work to heavy-duty mechanical projects. One standout feature is the bi-material handle, which provides a comfortable non-slip grip, making it easier to apply force with control. The locking adjustment mechanism ensures hassle-free operation, allowing for quick and accurate settings. Stamped metric and inch scales make for easy identification, and it meets or exceeds ASMEA specifications for reliability. The case is sturdy enough for safe storage and transport. One thing to keep in mind, this wrench isn't digital, so you'll need to rely on the click mechanism for accuracy. At just $79.99, it's an excellent value for both professionals and DIYers looking for an affordable yet dependable torque wrench. For precise torque applications, you need accuracy, consistency, and a tool that delivers a confident click when you reach the desired setting. Park Tools Ratcheting Click-type torque wrench does this better than most. With a torque range of 2 to 14 newton-meters, it's designed specifically for bike mechanics, working with sensitive components like carbon fiber parts, stems, and seat posts. The 3/8-inch drive ratchet has smooth, predictable action, and the dial adjust system allows for fine 0.4 newton-meters increment. One of the standout features is its ability to measure torque in both left-hand and right-hand threading, something not every wrench in this range offers. The accuracy is rated at plus or minus 4%, keeping your adjustments precise. It's a compact 9 inches in length, making it easy to maneuver in tight spaces. If you want dependable torque control for your bike shop or home setup, grab one for $90.95. Whether you're mounting a scope or performing gunsmithing tasks, the Wheeler Manual Firearms Accurizing Torque Wrench delivers the precision you need. Its torque range of 10 to 65 inch-pounds ensures accurate, repeatable settings, helping to maintain firearm performance and reliability. While its torque range isn't the widest, its plus or minus 2 inch-pound accuracy up to 40 inch-pounds is a standout feature, giving shooters confidence in every adjustment. The compact, ergonomic design makes it comfortable to use, and the included set of 10 bits ensures compatibility with most common fasteners. Controls are well placed, allowing for easy adjustments without disrupting workflow. The ratcheting mechanism operates smoothly, though some users may find resetting the torque to its lowest setting after each use slightly inconvenient. However, Wheeler's build quality and attention to detail make this a must-have for precision firearm maintenance. Pick one up for just $64 and keep your gear dialed in with confidence.